done so far is drag the new shelves up the stairs, and I'm sweating. I've pulled out all the stuff. We're gonna start building it so we have more room for manga, because I'm running out of space. I already have these up here, which are building up above. I also have these, and then I also have this with my box sets in front. I just need more room, so we're making this huge thing now. I need more of these grooves. Going like this. So this is from Argos, by the way. Next step, everything else. Crazy girl. Crazy. Ow. What happened to me? I made my mistake. Don't feel big. That's what he said. I'm weak. What is that in my pocket? Look in the middle with you. I did it. Well, kind of. Anything for manga. I did it. Oh my god, I did it. Yes. No, I did it. Woo! The neighbours are gonna hate me. So sorry. Done! Now for the moment of truth. Let's get this thing standing. Yes! Oh my god, that's glorious. Now just gotta put the shelves in. Now that they're finally done, I'm gonna take a shower and then we'll organise the manga on the new shelves. See you guys in a bit. Shelf built. That wasn't so bad. Okay, so the bookshelf is all set up and ready. I've put the two stands I made that were on the old bookshelf that was there. I've took that apart, now it's under the bed. As you see, I'm laying up all the manga I want to put on the shelf. Let's get started. Just gonna add some finishing touches. So obviously we're gonna add Tomioka here. He's gonna go on the top. Ooh, if I can reach. Ugh. Nice. I also have this plant, so I'll probably stick that up there too. It's a fake plant, but it looks quite nice dangling over the manga. And I also have these guys, just my little Totoro plushie. I got the Studio Ghibli postcards. Like that. Very nice. Oh, I've got a stand here. I wonder if that would be better so that that doesn't end up poking into the book like that. There we go. Very nice. And there we are. The finished shelf. I've left some gaps so that we can fit some more stuff in, so stuff I know is coming. So for example here, I know I've got more Cheeky Rat coming. And further down, they're all pretty much done. And down here there's a lot of room because I'm expecting some more full metal alcohol. I also had a really cool idea about using some of the Ghibli postcards and putting them on the side. So some more of my manga arrived and it used to go on the shelf. So we've got Cheeky Rat, like I said, would be arriving, and I've also got Full Metal number 5. Guys, I don't know if you noticed on this video, but I've got little cow nails. I did them myself, and they which was even better. It matches my slippers. Look! Oh my great! Right, let's put these on. So I'm thinking with these, I just need to move this. Boom. Yeah, that should be fine. Do you know what's awesome? I found this guy in a charity shop for like £1. I don't know where it's from. Excellent find, honestly. There we go. Full Metal. I love these covers so much. Shove that along. It should fit. There we go. And then there's more space still. Excellent. Woo! Hey Tomioka. Nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. As of posting this video, we've reached over 100 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy. We've doubled since last video, which is awesome. Thanks so much. I'm really glad that you guys are enjoying what I'm putting out there. I know this video was probably a little bit different, but I hope you enjoyed it all the same. Feel free to leave any comments, give this video a like, it really helps out. If you are new, maybe consider subscribing and turning on the bell so you know when I post another video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.